Hey, it's Judith. Today I'm showing you how I made these easy wristlet bags. And I actually learned how to make these from watching a tutorial from, and I'm going to spell out the channel name, CHE_stitches. And I will also put that information in my description box below. Okay, here I already have my fabric laid out. I've ironed my fusible interfacing onto my outer fabric and I'm just laying the liner on top. I placed the zipper teeth down and I'm just going to pin the liner and the fabric to that zipper tape. This is just to show you that I added more pins to make sure it doesn't slide while I sew it. Okay, I have my fabric added to the top portion of that zipper tape. Now I'm just going to flap that back and then we're going to top stitch right there. Okay, I just went back to show you that I added clippies to my fabric just to hold it. So when I stitch or make that top stitch to hold the fabric together to keep it from shifting. Okay, I have my top stitch done. So now I'm just going to open the fabric up and we're going to bring that the right sides together of the outer fabric. I'm going to bring that up like that. And then I'm going to bring the liner side. I'm going to flap the liner side as well. And we're going to bring that up so we can stitch all that to the other side of the zipper tape. So for the next step, we're going to open up the zipper and turn the fabric right side out. Okay, now the next step is to add the zipper pull, and I'm going to switch to a different back that I recorded to show you the technique. I think I did it better with my last back, so I'll switch to a different clip. Okay, for this back, the zipper is already inserted, so I'm going to take that off that track and reinsert it so you can see exactly how I did this. Here I'm placing the zipper pull on the zipper track and then I'm going to pull it all the way off. And now I'm going to open up the top of that zipper track slightly and place the zipper pull back on. Okay, now I'll turn the bag wrong side out so I can work on the side seams. Here I'm showing you where I did a slight baste stitch onto my tab just to hold it together while I stitch it onto the bag. So now I'll clip those on and we'll stitch the side of the bag, the sides of the bag. Okay, this is just to show you that from the top of the bag to that zipper is approximately 2 inches. Okay, I'm just going to trim off that excess zipper, and then I'm going to serge the side of my bag, the sides of my bag. You can use bias tape if you like. I just didn't want to do that, so I'm just going to serge the sides of my bag. Here I'm showing you where I've already pinned my corners of the bag, so I can box out the corners. So I make the little peak there, so it's barely a half an inch, maybe even less. So we're just going to stitch across where those pins are to make that box, the corner, to flatten those corners, and then we can turn the bag right side out. Okay, this is just to show you that I did a top stitch on that strap. I only did one side. I just didn't want to do both sides, so I just did one side of that strap, and now I'll attach it to the ring, and then I'll stitch that strap close, those two ends together. Okay, I have my strap attached to the ring, and what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to do a top stitch right there near that ring just to lock it in. So I don't want that sliding, just to kind of secure that. So I'm going to do a top stitch there, and then I'm done. This was a really easy sewing project. It was so easy that I made 2 additional bags so that I can have a variety to choose from. I also wanted to add that if you enjoyed this video or if it was helpful in any way, to please consider giving this video a like and also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. And as always, thanks again for watching. Goodbye.